Now that you've seen a simple agent in action, it's time to push the envelope and build something more ambitious. In this part, we're going to design a slightly more complex AI agent project and walk through how you can implement it. Remember, our focus is on using free and open tools, so everything we do can be achieved with minimal or no cost. Just some of your time and creativity. Let's choose a project that's practical and fun, building an AI research assistant. This agent will take a high-level goal, like research topic X and produce a summary or report, and it will carry out a series of steps to get there. This is similar to what you might have seen AutoGPT do in demos. You give it a goal, and it generates and executes tasks one after the other. We'll sort of recreate that flow on a smaller scale. Imagine you want to research the effects of climate change on marine life for a blog post. Instead of you manually searching and reading multiple articles, you can ask your AI agent to do it. How would this agent tackle the task? Let's break it down the way an agent would. The first step might be search for relevant information. Next, for each piece of information, read or summarize it. Then compile the findings into a coherent summary. Possibly, it might also cite the sources it found. We will need a few tools for our agent: a web search or a specific data source, maybe a text summarization tool, and a way to store partial and final results. Using LangChain or a similar framework, we can set up an agent with these capabilities. The chain of thought might look like this. The agent gets the goal, searches for information, reads it, gathers points, and finally compiles a summary. To implement something like this, you'll orchestrate the sequence, guiding the agent with limits and clear instructions. The beauty of writing your own agent code is that you can tailor everything to your needs while learning how it all works under the hood.